Bihar is being seen as a litmus test for BJP. Is the Modi magic strong in Bihar, and do voters relate to Modi's speeches? Archana Shukla travelled to Hajipur to attend one of the Prime Minister's rallies.
आप यहाँ क्यों आई हैं?
नरेंद्र मोदी को देखने आए हैं और उनका भाषण सुनने आए हैं।
We are here at Hajipur at the rally which Prime Minister Narendra Modi is to address, and behind me you can see is a packed field with at least 2 lakh people, locals and voters from this area who gathered here to listen to this speech that Prime Minister Narendra Modi would be making here right before the third phase of elections here in Bihar Assembly elections. किस वजह से आए हैं आप रैली में?
रैली में नरेंद्र मोदी जी को वोट देने के लिए, जिताने के लिए आए हैं। क्या किया है नरेंद्र मोदी ने, आपको लगता है जो अच्छा है?
किसको करेंगे?
नीतीश जी को।
वोट नीतीश जी को करेंगे।
हाँ। बेटा बेटी का अच्छा मन सिखाएगा, आगे बढ़ाएगा। ये तो नहीं जानते क्या बदलाव आएगा, लेकिन देखेंगे कि क्या आता है।
हमारे रोजगार बच्चों लोग को मिले और अच्छा से रहेंगे हम लोग।
पिछले 10 साल में यहाँ पर नीतीश कुमार की सरकार में क्या बदलाव हुआ है?
कोई चीज नहीं।
One of Narendra Modi's 35 Parivartan rallies across the state. He's the only face for BJP's campaign till now in this assembly election. Attendees included many first-time voters like 19-year-old Suresh Kumar, a student who's hopeful for good employment opportunities once he gets on to the job market.
शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में तो बिल्कुल जीरो है हमारा बिहार, ये तो आप लोग भी जानते होंगे, हम लोग भी जानते हैं। अगली सरकार से तो यही आशा है कि हम लोग अपने घर पे रह के कोई अच्छा सा काम करे, जॉब करे।
नौजवान के लिए कमान और तीसरा है मेरा परिवार के लिए दूसरा, घर के बुजुर्गों के लिए दवाई।
पढ़ाई, कमाई and दवाई. The 3 promises that Prime Minister Narendra Modi made here in his speech in Hajipur did definitely strike a chord with the locals and the voter community who had come to hear him speak, especially the younger audiences and the young voters who are hopeful that if BJP comes into power, there would be some amount of local job creation in this state, considering the fact that BJP is pro-industries and talks of Make in India campaigns and setting up factories. But will this be enough for BJP to beat the Mahagathbandhan of Nitish Kumar and Lalu Prasad Yadav? Well, that's anybody's guess. But we'll leave you with something very interesting. This is the media pass that we were given to attend this rally and cover the rally of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Of a government that talks of Make in India, this pass, this media pass, is one which is sourced from China. It has a Made in China logo behind it. Possibly something that was missed by the campaigners and the media cell in BJP, who are otherwise very vigilant of what they talk and show. With camera person Sunny Paswan and Bharat Kori in Hajipur, this is Archana Shukla.